Another dead battery, same day as earlier, and it's just stuck on whatever this means, and the mirrors are out. Let's see what else it's doing. Screen's completely dead. Turns on, screen dies, flickers, lights come on, car's dead. I'm gonna jump it, and we're gonna go get a new battery. There's the battery that I just picked up at Walmart, Everstart Platinum AGM H5, and now I'm going to replace this. So first thing, there's good instructions online, so I'm not gonna walk through this, but you just pull that tab up, and then you use a 10 and a 12 to get this battery out of here. So just disconnect the negative terminal, it's a 10, loosen it, take it off, disconnect the positive terminal, it's also a 10, and then you can use an extension to get down to this right here. There's a bolt right here, and that is a 12, and that's this bracket right here is mounted down here. It's a 12, you take that off, pull the battery out, and now I'm going to throw the other one back in. And we're done. Put the fuse back on. Everything is working. And don't forget, when you're taking these off, you take the negative off first, and then you take the positive off. When you're putting it back on, you put the positive back on, and then the negative. And yeah, that's it. And then make sure you hit that little fuse back down, make it click back down, and here you go. So I am replacing this in April of 2024. Let's see if I have any more issues, and if this continues to not charge or I still have 12 volt issues, that means it's my ICCU, which is a different headache. So